This is for this unveiling. This is how these came unpacked. Again, this is the first time we've ordered from all these vendors, and we kind of want to see how things come packaged. This is a bit nicer than Kingsley did, but holy cow. Here's Australian lace agate. It says so right there. And then here, we've got small Mexican lace agate. It's really like chips, and I'm not real happy about that. Then we have green aventurine. We have yellow jasper. Again, it's kind of really super tiny pieces. Not super happy with that. Of course, my dog doesn't sound happy either. And rose quartz. Huge blocks. Oh, look. I love presents. Tootsie Rolls. Thank you. This one, I have no idea, it's not labeled. But holy cow, it looks pretty good. The bag's kind of torn. But that's everything that came in this box. So let's wash it all up and see what we have. Okay, we've rinsed off the small Mexican lace agate. And you can see it's just beautiful. But they're fairly tiny pieces. This is, look at that. That's really cool. So I'm kind of disappointed because I was really hoping to get a lot of the lacy pattern, and not a whole lot of piece there. And after it's been tumbled, and they're probably, I'm interested to see what will be left, but they're calling this the small Mexican lace agate. That's 2 pounds there, and I'm never going to order small again because the pieces are just too little to do anything with. Next we have the Australian lace agate, and we only got 1 pound of that. Look how pretty that is after it's been washed off. So, as I said before, I really do like these reds. But we'll see how it turns out when we're done. I'm not seeing a whole lot of patterns with this either, but you never know until after it's polished, after it's tumbled. This is the green aventurine. Hope I'm saying that right. These are some really nice size pieces. See, in comparison, I like this size better than I like this size. Okay, let's wash off some more. Okay, here's our yellow jasper rinsed off. Got some fairly nice size pieces in here. Not looking too bad. This is the one that wasn't labeled. Oh man, this is really cool. Look at this. Look at this. These are huge pieces, and we like huge pieces. Look at this. Wow. Nice banding in that one. Okay, let's get these boxed up and ready, and then we'll get to the next ones. 3 pieces of huge rose quartz, which is gonna be very nice once it's all cut and tumbled. This is beautiful. Okay, now we are on to the second box. Packaged really well. Really happy with that. Look at all the goodies. Lots and lots of goodies. Okay, let's get them rinsed off, and we'll show you what they look like once they're cleaned. Okay, so here's 3 pounds of yellow aventurine, which looks a lot different than the green, gotta admit. Nice size rough on this. Can't wait to see what all this will do. And then this is rough carnelian agate. So this is going to be really cool once we get this all tumbled. Again, that's about 2 pounds of that. And then we'll get on to the next set. Here we have salmon feldspar, which looks so much nicer after it's been rinsed off. It's about 2 pounds of that. And then here's another 2 pounds of yellow jasper to go with the other 1 pound, but these are much bigger pieces. So they were packaged separately and I didn't realize it. But I like these big pieces. Okay, let's get to the rest of it. Okay, here we have the medium crushed prairie agate rough. That's difficult to say when I'm this tired. So this is kind of pretty. And then over here we have the serape jasper. I do love these red rocks. These are really cool. And they're huge. Look at the size. Ooh, look at the banding. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Okay, on to the next. Okay, here's our amazonite, and it's amazing. Every pun intended. Nice size pieces. And then this is so cool. This is zebra jasper. Check out the markings in this stuff. This, I cannot wait. This might move to first barrel. This is so cool. Look at that. Okay, on to the next. Okay, our fluorite looks beautiful. Look at all these beautiful colors, the greens and the purples, and oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing. I keep saying amazing, but holy cow, that's all taking my breath. Look at this. This is all fluorite. This is red calcite. So, I think it's calcite. Nope, it's red quartzite. So not to be confused with the red calcite that I also have. This is pretty. These are much smaller stones though, but again, they're very pretty. Okay, we have a few more bags to open. Here we have picture jasper, which is also really pretty. Ooh, isn't that nice? Okay, and then here is desert jasper. Nice colors all through this. Nice red one. Okay, next two. Here we have Botswana agate. It's got some really nifty pieces in here. So these are kind of cool. Let's see what happens. This is really nifty. Okay. This is snakeskin jasper. Let's see if we can find a piece with a really good. Here we go. Kind of scaly looking. Nice lines. Ooh. So let's see what this does up. Okay, and that's it. And all this rough came from the Rock Shed, no affiliation, just purchased from a bunch of different vendors to kind of see how their rough holds up and how their packaging is and what it looks like. So far I've been very pleased with everybody I've bought rough from. Okay, let me clean up this video and we'll be right back. And here we have the last item that came in that delivery, and it is large Mozambique agate. Isn't that pretty? Look at all these. Wait until they look at them. Okay, well, the light's fading, and I need to get all these put away.